Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up a little bit, 0.08% right now, which is quite surprising because the S&P is dropping almost 1%, the Nasdaq is dropping more than 1%, we see many stocks in red territory, all the mega caps are in red territory right now except for Tesla. Well, I think that's quite interesting. But I do have some very good news for you guys in this video. So if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, if this is your first time watching me, consider subscribing because I do believe this video is going to be very helpful to you, my dear friends. So let's take a quick look at how Tesla is doing right now. Yesterday, we talked about this thin red line, which was a previous support level in Tesla. We lost this point. Okay, so we did enter the yellowish area, which we already talked about as well. And right now we see an interesting reaction. Okay, it is a very good reaction, to be fair. I was expecting that Tesla would hit the $819. However, we hit $825 today. Okay, that's fine, we missed it by $6, the support level. There is still a chance that Tesla could drop to this red line again, which is at the same point the 38.2% retracement is right now. So this is a very strong dual support level. I was really hoping that Tesla was going to retest this point. However, it is reacting quite nicely right now. Why is this a good reaction? Because, where is the right tool here? Because it is doing a quite classic candlestick pattern. Call it bullish harami. Now you may say, but Nathan, haramis, they have a near random chance of going up or down, right? Yes, but since we are near a technical support level, the odds increases in our favor over here because we are near support level in Tesla, but look at how the indices are doing. The S&P is doing a very strong bullish engulfing candlestick pattern just after it retested the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. We did a double bottom chart pattern over here. Now we are going up again. It seems it wants to fill this gap, making it an exhaustion gap. If it fills this gap, of course, so far it was not filled yet, so we don't know. But if it fills this gap, okay, it is an exhaustion gap. Probably this is going to be a double bottom chart pattern. Probably the 38.2% retracement is going to hold the price for the short midterm. And this will probably make other stocks go up as well. When we analyze the Nasdaq index, we did a very similar pattern. We have another bullish engulfing candlestick pattern just above this black line. Why is this black line here? Well, it was a previous support level here, and it was a previous support level over here as well. So this point seems to be a quite interesting support area to work with, and the Nasdaq is reacting at this price level as well. So it is a very good reaction. It seems Tesla wants to follow the same pattern seen in the overall market. So that's a quite good news for us. Okay, we didn't retest the previous support level as we expected, but that's fine. The market will not always behave in the way we want, so we gotta react properly to what we see and be ready to react to what we are not expecting right now. So that's a quite good news for Tesla. When we analyze the daily chart, in the daily chart we see that, okay, we didn't retest the 38.2% retracement. However, the daily chart is quite interesting. It is still a bear trend, okay? Tesla is doing lower highs, lower lows. That's a fact. It is not a bull trend in the daily chart. It is a bull trend in the 1 hour chart. Right now, it's a little bit more bearish, but see, the bias is slightly more bullish in the 1 hour chart than bearish right now, despite the previous drop. Now, the daily chart is 100% bearish. Okay, there is not a single reversal sign. But right now, don't you think it is weird? I mean, we have some weird stuff going on. And I do believe that this might be a new catalyst for Tesla to retest 11.15 again. But before we talk about that, remember to subscribe at our trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra Trading Newsletter. It is the only newsletter that can beat the market, and I show my public results to you guys in a weekly basis. Just click here to see our results, and you are gonna find this public document that I update every single week. I will update my personal performance on a weekly basis over here. Week 9 is ongoing right now, so I will update it next week. And I already selected the stocks we're gonna trade next week. So if you want to participate in our trading newsletter, consider subscribing. 7 days trial, so the first one is for free. What do you have to lose? Now, what is really weird about Tesla, and you will agree with me on this one, yesterday we had a massive candlestick. We dropped minus 4.61%. That's quite terrible. What's more, we dropped after a retest of the 21 exponential moving average. It seems the EMA is working as a very strong resistance level for Tesla, and that's not good. Okay? Usually, that's not good. However, look at yesterday's volume down here. The volume was very low. When we see this going on, usually what this indicates, this tells me at least that it is dropping because the lack of money, the lack of trades going on. It is not dropping because people are actually selling it. It's not dropping due to sell pressure. It is dropping because people are just afraid. They don't want to trade. And this is only because of weakness instead of aggressive selling. Very few people are actually selling in these levels because selling Tesla right now makes zero sense to me. The risk-reward ratio is terrible. So looking at the overall markets as well, I do not believe Tesla will drop too much from here if it is about to drop. So it makes no sense, and it seems the market knows that. And this is why we see a very low, pathetic volume like this one in a day like this one. Okay, so the bears, they don't have the guts to sell over here. So this might be a very good opportunity because you guys already know that my personal target in Tesla for the short term is 920. I do believe this gap is going to be filled, okay? I really, really do. And if this happens, this gap might help Tesla to trigger a bullish pivot point in the daily chart. Here, we will see a bottom, a top, and then a bottom higher than the previous bottom. If we fill the 920, we're gonna be around here, and we will trigger for good a pivot point, a bullish pivot point, and this might lead Tesla in the midterm to 11.15. And that's my personal target for the midterm. Short term speaking, let's focus on the 920. Midterm speaking, let's focus on 11.15. So this is how I believe we should proceed right now in Tesla. Let's take a look at the weekly chart at the long term. I find amazing that it did such a phenomenal shadow under last week's candlestick body. So it is looking quite good. This week we are doing bullish candlestick, so this is also quite good. Tesla has a few challenges to overcome. We still have yet to close above this purple trend line, making this a true or false breakout, which is not the case. We still have the EMA in the weekly chart and the EMA in the daily chart as well. These are our main challenges, but considering how the market is behaving right now, how it is doing, it is reacting at the 38.2% retracement, about to fill an exhaustion gap. The Nasdaq is reacting nicely as well over here. So to me, in my personal opinion, only analyzing Tesla through a technical perspective, I do believe it is more bullish than bearish. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you very much for watching so far. Remember to subscribe. Remember to click on the like button because this video is over right now. Stay safe. Have a great weekend.